Presenting the new fashionable Boult Audio Pro Bass Ranger that challenges everything you know about gaming headsets, and it is available in the color black and gold. Items that are available inside the box are headphones, charging USB cable, auxiliary cable and instruction manual. This product weighs only 250 grams and has the dimensions of 18 into 22 into 9 centimeters. It has adjustable headband, soft protein faux leather padding and lightweight so that you can experience elevated tranquility. It has true wireless using Bluetooth with the transmission distance of up to 20 meters and wired mode to match your needs. It has built-in microwoofers, HD sound, extra bass, noise cancelling feature for superior gaming experience. It can be compatible with Windows, iOS and Android. It has lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 13 hours. Built-in mic and voice assistants, Google Assistant and Siri. With this comfortable yet classy over-ear phones headphone, you can do your daily tiring chores with enthusiasm. This IPX5 water-resistant headphone has a spectacular mic design with unmatched clarity and improved comfort that will give you out-of-the-world experience. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.